In this Gmail tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to mark all emails as unread. First, we need to make a selection of all the read emails. To do that, we're going to go to the More tab and then go to All Mail. And so this will be all mail, whether it's in promotions or any inbox or label, this will show everything. Now, we're going to make sure that it is actually read emails and not also the unread emails. So we can click search mail up here and we can say is : read. And so we're going to press the enter key on that, and this will find any email that is read. From there, we need to make a selection of everything. Now you might notice if you click on this box here, it only selects everything on this one page. Google made a change here recently where it orders this by most relevant. If you switch this to most recent and then select this box, it actually gives you the option to select every single conversation that matches this search. And so the search is every read email. So we can click this button to select all conversations and not just this page. Now we can create a bulk action here for the read emails to make them unread. To do that, we're going to click on these three dots in the toolbar and we're going to mark all as unread. We click on that, it's going to say, do you want to confirm this bulk action? We do. We're going to hit OK. And it'll probably say that it might take a little time, and it will. It'll finish after a few minutes. And you can undo it right here for a few seconds if you didn't mean to actually do this action. But otherwise, that will mark all of the read emails as unread within 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how many emails, thousands or tens of thousands for some of us, that are in our inboxes. That's how you can mark all emails as unread in Gmail.